Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope that you will be really very fine this day. Today I'm going to make you learn the car indicating system. So by using the two marks, I'm making this system. So first we have to have a know-how about how does it work. So coming towards the front. So here is the random example of the car. As you can see that the LEDs were open in all the situations, while the indicator lights were open only the situation when the driver will turn on them, and the backlights, when the backlights are open, the indicators will turn off and the backlight is dominant over the indicators. So let's implement it on the Proteus to make you sure that how does it work. So comes towards the Proteus. Here you can see there is a blinker, the constant flow, the constant high. These are the logic states when the high or low voltage or the logic state to the ICs is applied. Here is the blinker that is giving the 0101 continuously, and it is applied at the X1, X4, X5, X6 and X7 terminals of these marks. So here is the emergency lights that are used in the situation, and these lights were caused blinking, and the braking lights are backlight. This is the left turn and this is the right turn. So let's simulate the circuit and show you how does it work. So as you can see that when nothing is applied, so here is the 00. So in emergency situations you can see that the lights are blinking. So while applying the brakes, you can see that both the backlights were turned on and they are dominant over the emergency lights. So while I turn off the brakes and turn on the left turn, so you can see that only the left signal is blinking. So I turn off the left and click on the right one, so you can see that the right signal is blinking right there. So I hope so you really enjoyed this video. So if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon as well.